The extinction of humans is a highly unlikely scenario, given the resilience and adaptability of our species. However, if we were to explore potential hypothetical scenarios, here are a few ways in which humans could potentially face extinction. 1. Global catastrophic event. A global catastrophic event such as a large asteroid impact, supervolcanic eruption, or a massive solar flare could cause widespread devastation, leading to the extinction of humans. These events have occurred in Earth's history and have had significant impacts on various species. 2. Environmental collapse. Human activities, such as unsustainable resource exploitation, deforestation, pollution, and climate change, could lead to a severe environmental collapse. If ecosystems collapse on a global scale, it would have catastrophic consequences for humanity and potentially result in extinction. 3. Pandemic or disease. A highly contagious and virulent pandemic or an untreatable global disease could spread rapidly and cause a significant loss of human life. While past pandemics have caused substantial devastation, advancements in medical technology and global response efforts make total extinction less likely. 4. Nuclear war. A large-scale nuclear conflict involving the use of numerous nuclear weapons could cause widespread destruction and radiation poisoning. This could result in the loss of infrastructure, resources, and life on a global scale, potentially leading to human extinction. 5. Technological risks. As technology advances, there are potential risks associated with it. Artificial intelligence, AI, or advanced technology in the wrong hands or without adequate safeguards could pose threats to humanity's existence. For instance, an uncontrolled AI or a powerful weapon system falling into the wrong hands could have devastating consequences. It is important to note that while these scenarios represent potential threats, the likelihood of humans going extinct is quite low. Humans have shown remarkable resilience, adaptability, and problem-solving capabilities throughout history, which have allowed us to overcome numerous challenges. Additionally, global collaboration and efforts to address existential risks can significantly mitigate these threats.